Hello and welcome back to everything you need to know about Bitcoin. In this episode, we're unraveling the mystery and history behind Bitcoin and its enigmatic creator. Let's dive right in. Our story begins in 2008, a year marked by financial crisis and distrust in banks. It was in this climate of uncertainty that a person, or perhaps a group, under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, stepped into the limelight. Nakamoto introduced the world to Bitcoin through a groundbreaking paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. But who is Satoshi Nakamoto? The truth is, we don't really know. Nakamoto's identity remains one of the biggest mysteries in the digital world. Some say Nakamoto is a lone genius. Others speculate it's a group of tech-savvy rebels. Despite various theories, Nakamoto's true identity is still a secret. In 2009, Nakamoto launched the first Bitcoin software, creating the first block of the Bitcoin network, fittingly called the Genesis block. With this, Bitcoin was born, a decentralized digital currency that didn't need banks or governments to function. The significance of Nakamoto's creation can't be overstated. Bitcoin introduced the concept of blockchain technology, a secure and transparent way to record transactions. This innovation has since paved the way for thousands of other cryptocurrencies and blockchain applications. Nakamoto remained involved in Bitcoin's development until 2010, after which they seemingly vanished, leaving behind only their digital footprint. Their last known communication was in 2011, stating they had moved on to other things. Today, Bitcoin stands as a testament to Nakamoto's vision of a decentralized digital currency. Its creation sparked a financial and technological revolution, challenging traditional notions of money and value transfer. And there you have it, the intriguing history of Bitcoin and its mysterious creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the world of Bitcoin. See you in the next video, where we'll uncover more about this digital currency revolution.